Hey there, plant enthusiasts. Today, I'm diving into the world of Ninebark, a shrub that's not just a pretty face but a total game changer for small spaces. You know, when it comes to gardening, I'm all about finding those hidden gems that pack a punch, and Ninebark is definitely one of them. So, let's unravel the secrets to growing this beauty in pots and why it's a must-have for your garden. Now, you might be wondering, why Ninebark? Well, this shrub is a showstopper with its dramatic foliage, stunning flowers, and unique peeling bark. But the real kicker is its compact varieties, which are perfect for containers. Imagine having a mini garden on your patio or balcony, bursting with color and life, thanks to Ninebark. It's like having your own little ecosystem, and I'm here to show you how to make it happen. First things first, variety is key. You want to go for the compact versions like Summer Wine, Tiny Wine, Little Angel, or Little Devil. These are the stars of the show, offering the same beauty as their larger cousins but in a size that's just right for pots. And the best part? They attract pollinators, making your garden a buzzing haven for bees and butterflies. It's like having your own little nature reserve. Now, let's talk about the home for these shrubs. You need a large container, at least 24 inches wide and deep, with drainage holes. This is crucial because we don't want our Ninebark to suffer from root rot. I've seen it happen, and it's not pretty. You can go for plastic or ceramic, whatever suits your style. Just make sure it's a well-draining pot with quality potting soil. No one wants a soggy, unhappy plant, right? Next up, location, location, location. Ninebark loves the sun, and so do I. Find a spot that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. It's like sunbathing for plants, but remember, too much of a good thing can be, well, too much. In hotter climates, some afternoon shade is like a spa day for your Ninebark, preventing summer scorch. It's all about balance, folks. Watering is an art, and with Ninebark, you want to get it just right. This shrub is a survivor, tolerating both dry and wet conditions. But to keep it happy, deep watering is key. You don't want to be a casual sprinkler here, you need to get down to the root zone. Think of it as giving your plant a refreshing drink on a hot day. And a little tip, check the moisture levels with your fingers or a soil moisture meter. It's like having a plant's eye view. Now, here's where things get interesting. Ninebark in containers needs a little extra love in the form of fertilizer. It's like giving your plant a vitamin boost. Go for a slow-release fertilizer in spring, and your Ninebark will thank you with a stunning display. But remember, no feeding in the fall. We don't want to encourage fresh growth that can't handle the frost. It's like telling your plant to take a well-deserved winter nap. So, there you have it. Growing Ninebark in containers is all about creating the right environment for these beauties to thrive. It's a simple process, but the results are spectacular. You get a year-round display, attract wildlife, and have a low-maintenance plant. What's not to love? Personally, I think Ninebark is an unsung hero in the gardening world, and I can't wait to see more people discovering its charm. Happy planting, everyone!